There's concepts beyond his comprehension. My son didn't do this. Yes, he did. This is what he does. When you're not around, when you're not there to help him. No, not my kid. You're not there to finish the Wechsler IQ test for him and work out the answers for the SATs.
Robbie did those by himself.
The only thing he did by himself is the Stanford Binet, and that's only after he memorized the manual you gave to him before taking the test.
Yeah, Robbie told us. About the memory exercises, about the vocabulary builders, about the confident coaching.
It's just how we work together. He's just a little boy.
Yeah, a smart little boy with a terrific memory and an overwhelming fear of disappointing his father.